Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be giving you an in-depth review of NorthOne Business Banking, and I recommend watching till the very end just to make sure if it's right for you or not. Alright, so let's begin with the video. NorthOne is a financial technology company that partners with the Bancorp Bank to offer FDIC-insured business banking services. This neobank has expanded its business checking options in recent years, most notably adding a free business checking account, NorthOne Standard. While this review touches on multiple account options, the star rating applies just to NorthOne's free account. That account checks plenty of boxes for no monthly fee. Account holders can take advantage of unlimited sub-accounts called envelopes to help organize funds and built-in integration with dozens of popular business tools, including QuickBooks, Gusto, and Shopify. These features make NorthOne particularly well suited for freelancers, contractors, or self-employed business owners who need to separate their personal and business finances. But that's only the case if your business doesn't need to send or receive international wire transfers, those aren't supported, or frequently used cash deposits cost extra, and there's no free ATM network. NorthOne's more expensive account, NorthOne Plus, costs $20 per month and doesn't solve these issues. Upgrading is only worthwhile if your business leans heavily on same-day ACH payments, which are included for no extra cost. NorthOne Plus also includes free bill payment, which should be a staple for an online business checking account, as well as priority customer support during business hours. You can open a NorthOne business checking account online or via the NorthOne app available for iOS and Android. To open an account, you must be at least 18 years old, US citizen, or legal resident living in one of the 50 US states or Washington, D.C., and have a verifiable US street address. Applications are generally approved within 48 hours, and you'll receive your NorthOne business debit card within 10 business days of opening your account. You can also send a business debit card directly to any authorized user, whether you include these users during account opening or choose to add them later. You can have a maximum of 4 authorized users on your NorthOne Business Bank account at any one time. NorthOne's business account application asks for basic personal and business information, along with certain business documentation. Personal information: name, home address, mobile phone number, date of birth, and social security number. This information is required for anyone who owns 25% or more of the company. Business information: business name, entity type, annual revenue EIN or tax ID, physical address, and phone number. Depending on your business type, you may also need to provide your employment insurance number, LLCs as core, and partnerships. Required documents: valid government ID for you and any authorized signers you're including on the account. You may also need to provide your business license, operating agreement, business formation documents, and DBA or fictitious name registration. NorthOne also requires a minimum opening deposit of $50, maximum $250 for sole proprietors and partnerships. LLCs and corporations can initially deposit up to $10,000. Your initial deposit must be made via an existing bank account, which you'll link to your NorthOne account via Plaid. Connect your NorthOne business checking account to your preferred business tools, including popular payroll, payment, and HR software to help streamline your business operations. NorthOne's extensive list of available integrations includes QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Wave, Etsy, Shopify, Stripe, Square, PayPal, Gusto, and Expensify, along with other business tools. Through these integrations, you can sync transaction details, collect payments, see invoices, and more. Businesses that receive payments via PayPal, Square, Stripe, Amazon, and Venmo can get instant payouts, with funds landing in their NorthOne account within 30 minutes in most cases. You'll need to link your NorthOne account to each payment platform using your account and routing number. Each platform has its own eligibility requirements, and some apps, such as Stripe and Venmo, charge a fee for instant transfers. Most business bank accounts set daily, monthly, and per transaction limits on wire and ACH transfers. NorthOne's limits are some of the highest you'll find. Unlike most online banks, NorthOne doesn't belong to an ATM network like Allpoint or MoneyPass. That leaves NorthOne customers without a true fee-free ATM network. While NorthOne doesn't charge ATM fees itself, account holders will likely face third-party fees from ATM owner-operators. NorthOne customers can deposit cash at thousands of retail stores via Green Dot, but each deposit carries a fee of up to $4.95, and cash deposits are capped at $1,500 per day, $3,500 per week, and $5,000 per month, a rather stingy limit. Cash-heavy companies can turn to brick-and-mortar business accounts like Bank of America or Chase for easy cash deposits. Online business accounts like Axos, NBKC, Lending Club, and Relay also offer fee-free cash deposits via compatible ATMs. NorthOne's bill payment hub makes it easy for businesses to handle one-off and recurring invoices. The downside: you'll pay for each payment you make. Outgoing digital payments are 50 cents per transaction. Paying via paper check is $1 per sent check. Most other business banks offer free bill pay services via ACH transfer at a minimum, and many will also send physical checks on your behalf for no additional charge. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.